In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review the activity log in Monday.com fast and easy. As we dive into this guide, we'll be covering all the steps to make sure you can seamlessly keep track of all updates and changes on your boards. The activity log is a powerful tool that can help you understand the workflow of your team and ensure everything is running smoothly. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your board. If you're already familiar with navigating Monday.com, this step should be straightforward. Just head over to the dashboard and select the specific board you want to review. Having your board open is crucial, as it will provide you with a context for any changes you discover in the activity log. Once you have your board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Clicking this menu is the gateway to numerous board features, including the activity log. It's worth spending a moment familiarizing yourself with this menu, as it can open up a variety of options to customize and control your board. After clicking the three-dot menu, a drop-down will appear. Among the options listed, you'll want to select the one that says Activity Log. This selection will open a new view where you'll be able to see a detailed list of changes made to your board and its items. Finding the activity log is an empowering step because it reveals the history of your board's activities and allows you to monitor multiple ongoing tasks and projects efficiently. Now that you've accessed the activity log, take some time to scroll through and explore. This log presents a chronological history, showing you exactly what changes were made and when they occurred. You'll be able to see updates such as when an item was added, who modified deadlines, or any changes in assignment. This feature is especially useful in larger teams or more complex projects where numerous updates occur regularly, and keeping track can be a daunting task. The ability to review and understand the activity log in Monday.com enhances your capacity to manage and oversee projects effectively. By enabling you to monitor the workflow and identify any discrepancies or bottlenecks promptly, you can maintain productivity and transparency within your team. As you become more comfortable navigating the log, you'll find it becomes an indispensable part of managing your boards and facilitating successful project completion. And there you have it, quick and straightforward. By following these steps, you'll be an active